Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, I'm going to talk about the case of mad cow disease. Okay, first, what is mad cow disease? Mad cow disease is a common name for a condition called bovine spongiform encephalopathy or BSE. Bovine means that the disease affects cows. The spongiform just means fungi because the infection creates a bunch of holes in the cow's point where its cells should be. And encephalopathy indicates that it is a disease of the brain. Or we can say that it is a progressive neurological disease that affects cows' central nervous system. The first cases of BSE were identified in Britain in 1984, but it really takes a really long time for symptoms to show up. So the first patient is probably date back to the 70s. What is the causes of mad cow disease? The exact cause of mad cow disease is still unclear, but according to the Food and Drug Administration (FDA), mad cow disease is a result of an abnormal protein change, specific protein called prions within the brain and nervous tissue of cow. These prions cause degeneration in brain, giving it a sponge-like appearance. This disease gets worse over time. It slowly destroys the brain and spinal cord of the cow. Cow can get the disease by eating animal feed that contains the abnormal prion from another infected cow. It is because the animal feed is the unused part of cows that might die of mad cow disease ground up and then fed to healthy cows. But it is also possible that mad cow disease does show up when a random protein folded the wrong way can form prion. What are the symptoms of BSE in cows? Since BSE will sever the brain and damage nervous system, it will eventually lead to trouble standing and walking, abnormal posture, nervous behavior, and decreased milk production. The infected cows may also act very aggressive or violent, which is why BSE is called mad cow disease. Mad cow disease also has an incubation period, so the cow is unlikely to be sick immediately after consuming contaminated food. It usually takes 4 to 5 years from the exposure of the disease until it causes noticeable symptoms. However, once the cow starts to show symptoms, its condition will get worsened until it dies, usually within 2 weeks to 6 months. Unfortunately, there is no treatment currently available for the disease, and it has a mortality rate of 100%. Okay, so the question is, can people get mad cow disease? The answer is yes and no. People cannot get mad cow disease. However, they can get a human form of mad cow disease called Avian Cute-Face Jacob disease or VCJD, which is also fatal. This can happen when a person eats meat contaminated with proteins from the brain or spinal tissue of an infected cow. But you shouldn't worry because neither BSE, cows, nor VCJD in humans is contagious. It is not possible for BSE or VCJD to transmit to others through everyday form of contact such as through breathable vapors, bodily fluids, or body contact. Additionally, people cannot get the disease from drinking milk or eating dairy products. The only common way for both cows and humans to be infected by the disease is by eating food containing contaminated tissue from cows that have the disease. Prions are scary because they are hard to destroy. They can survive radiation, disinfectants, and high temperature. So, how to prevent mad cow disease? Since August 1997, the FDA has not allowed most parts from cows and certain other animals to be used to make food fed to cows. This is to protect the healthy cows from getting mad cow disease by making sure that the food they eat is not contaminated with the abnormal prion. This new farming practice has really helped get the disease under control because mad cow disease occurs when cows consume damaged proteins in the brain or spinal tissue of other cows in their feed. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum.